Day at the farm.
Hello, yes, off to the farm.
Summer's day, 22 degrees.
How many? 22.
So today on the summer's day of 10th of December, myself, my dad, my mum, Ollie and Susie driving up ahead with the dogs, all decided to head out to South Air Road to Susie's farm and check out the milking activity to show my mum and dad and bring home some lovely Canterbury milk.
Rosie! Yeah! Hello! Oh, hey!
Okay, yeah. We'll have to get some afternoon tea. Kiki. So anyone that knows Christchurch will know Tram Road, the famous Tram Road. So you just turn left on Tram Road and go down West Eaton Road, and we're right in the middle of the Canterbury Dairy Farm land. This particular farm is a rotary milking shed with about 700 cows, and we turn up about sort of 3:30 PM and we catch Tony, Susie's mum, caught right in the middle of the milking action.
Don't see any sheep around. Way out in the wop-wops.
No wop wops.
That road seems to go on and on and on.
Shingle's very soft.
The shingle is very soft and it pulls you over and you just about spin around.
Yeah, we lost it there for a while, didn't we? A bit of a drift. Rosie, look at the cows. Hello. Hello, little calves. Hello. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, 184. 168. Come on. Ooh, big sniff. Good girl. Milking station. Come on, Dad, this way.
Hello.
Come on. A day at the farm. South Air Road. Hello, fellas. Hello.
Hi,
Moo-moos.
Hello.
Hi. Ooh, she's all happening. She's all on. Give her a hand.
I don't actually know how to build that crack at that.
Hello.
Supposed to have an old staff working.
Oh, really? Yeah. She can't stop now. It's called a rotary milk station. Rotary. Rotary. Yeah. Next time you pour out some milk, you know where it comes from.
You see like 11.4, that's how many litres they've driven.
Ah, right.
And that one there, a drop for
Ah, okay, right.
so that's still on.
Yeah. 6.7, 8.7.
Yeah. And sometimes if they're still milking, it will have like 8.7 and then it will flash at blah blah blah. How much
Right.
they're still milking.
Ah, yeah. So these drop off automatically?
Yeah. And then they go under there and get
Ah, right. Oh, wow. They go under there and get washed.
That's
Oh, that's
like
cool. Awesome. All automated. All happy cows going back out to the paddocks for a refill.
You can get milk, comes through these.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But I'll have to ask mum how to use it.
Go!
Comes out fast.
Can you hold that?
I have a petrol.
Wow. Milkshake.
Yeah, it is.
That's awesome.
Straight from the plate cooler, so this cools the milk instantly.
Oh, yeah.
Otherwise it's really warm.
Yeah.
Really warm, like hot milk. I'll put it straight in my coffees in the morning. Oh yeah. Put some power behind it.
Awesome. That's awesome. Thank you. Fantastic. Thanks very much. Woo! Good job. That was awesome. What did you fart?